What is up, YouTube? Today I'm here at the BMW Joytown Festival in Mumbai. It's the 7th of January 2023. What a fantastic start to this new year. And this is day 1 of the festival. It's 4 in the evening now. Come on now, let's head in and check out all the amazing cars on display. And over here we have the BMW Motorrad motorcycle section. So let's go and check that out. So here behind me you can see is the lifestyle store where they are selling BMW and mini merchandise. So when you enter the venue you get this coupon over here which you can fill and submit over there. It's a raffle ticket, and if you win you get 30% off on the merchandise over there, which honestly to me makes no sense, because if you can afford to buy the stuff in there, that 30% off means nothing to you. So here behind me is the food court area where there are lots of stalls and a food truck where you can get really nice food. And this place is really large and it gets tiring walking around, so I'm just refilling my energy with this Red Bull. After that dance performance at the Mini Cooper stall, I'm now headed to the lifestyle store where there's going to be a BMX bicycle stunt show.
Raja Kumari!
So along with the entry ticket, you get this token with which you can get a free cap, which I forgot to take earlier when it was sunny. But anyway, I'm still gonna go to the counter and collect it now before they run out of them. So there it is, right next to the entrance. That's where you get the cap.
Raja Kumari, I go harder than anybody.
Right, so here's my free cap. Yep, looking nice. So now I'm here at the drift zone where they're going to be performing some stunts with the bikes and the M Sports car. Even though this is called the drift zone, there's not going to be any drifting because it's an absolute straight patch of road, so only a burnout. Okay, so the drift show just got over and now it's King who's gonna come on stage and perform, so I'm rushing back to the stage. Our special guest has arrived very late after most of the events are over. Say hi, Denise. And we're back at the food court, so we're going to first have our dinner and then head back to the stage where all the music is going on.